Well, thank you for stopping by the website. What we're setting out to do here is to take some pictures for the cover of the latest book, Story Without End. And what we're trying to achieve is a picture of Alicia in a long white dress coming through a churchyard or a church gate. So we've picked this church in England, which is pretty typical. It is maybe 700-800 years old, and its main claim to fame is that it is near the Battle of Cropredy in the English Civil War, and allegedly Oliver Cromwell sheltered his horses in there during the battle round about 1600s. So we have a typical English church, we have the graveyards, and we have the main building. What we're looking for is a gate and an atmospheric cross. So if we shoot through there, we can see the cross. And then if we look, there's a fairly typical gate from outside the church. So Alicia could go there, but we would probably have to Photoshop that to make that more sensible. So what we're really looking for is a gate exiting the church on the hill. So this would be fairly good. We could put Alicia into there. You see the graveyard, several 100 years old. And this is another shot. In the distance, just see the pub, which for some of you will probably be more interesting than the church. But English pubs, English churches, very interesting places to visit for completely different reasons. And this is probably a shot that could be used. We have a gravestone with some fairly nice hieroglyphics, which if we take those into black and white would work quite well. And then this is the gate that we may use. We could Photoshop Alicia over the back there. This is possibly the main shot we could use, because you see the gate in the middle, we see the church. This is shot from the field, so we could have some depth to the shot, and we could put Alicia into that gateway, and it would look as though she's coming out in the book cover to meet